What's going on, guys? Logan here for a new video, and today I'm gonna be giving my old Falcon wheels. I'm gonna be giving those to my buddy Caesar. He's actually over there, but as many of y'all know, I actually already got some new wheels. I have some drag radials on the rear, and these tires right here hook perfectly. I mean, honestly, I feel like for my car they look a lot better with this Kona blue. I just really like this chrome look versus the blacked out look of my Falcons. But my buddy, he has a 2018 EcoBoost Mustang, so it's white, so I really feel like those Falcons are gonna look way better on his car than they did my car. But I am just giving these wheels to him because he's in high school and he is a big Mustang fanatic, so any way I can help out anybody really, I'll try to help out. And this over here is his car right now. As you can see, it just has the stock wheels on right now. Actually, me and him are gonna be trading wheels. I'm gonna take those to my house just in case I need any kind of spare wheels or anything. At least I'll have those. And if you've been watching my channel for a little while, you would know that I did a review on this EcoBoost out here. That's actually Rodrigo's car right here. But this is Caesar over here. I will put his Instagram down in the description, and he has a little bit of work done to it. It is an EcoBoost, but this thing sounds awesome for an EcoBoost. Woo! Hear them crackles. Do that again. Woo! It's a four banger, but man, this thing sounds good. But as one little point of reference, this is his stock wheels, and here are the Falcons that'll be going on. I really think this thing's gonna look good, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them on, and I'll let y'all see. What's going on, guys? I just got done putting these wheels on Caesar's car, and honestly, I would say that I'm very impressed. These wheels look so much better on his car than they did on my car, but here they are. It's kind of weird seeing these wheels right here on another car that's not mine, because for the last, 3 years I've had my car, these have been the only wheels I've had on it. Seeing these wheels on a white car is, to me, is like a night and day difference between it on my car. And I think these wheels look so much better on this car than my car. I mean, I have a Kona blue, this is an Oxford white, and I just really feel like this flows a lot better with this car than my car. And looking over here at the wheels I have in my car now, this chrome look is much better than that blacked out look, so I'm very glad that I ended up getting these wheels, and out of it I helped a buddy and I made my car look a lot better, and his car. I really just can't get over though how different this car looks just with a new set of wheels, but then again my car looks way different with a new set of wheels, so just changing the wheels is kind of crazy what it can do. But like I said earlier, Caesar does have an Instagram. I'll put it down in the description, and he is thinking about starting a YouTube channel, so whenever he does eventually start his YouTube channel, I will let y'all know. And like I said, I just gave these wheels over here to Caesar. I had somebody offer me $500 for them, but to me, I would rather help a buddy out than make a quick buck, so I just gave them to Caesar. And I do have a few other like parts just laying around my house. Like I do have a cold air intake, and I also have my set of caliper covers that were on my car. You would have to buy new clips, but I would be totally up for just giving those out, you know, like holding like maybe a competition or a giveaway or something. So if y'all are interested in those, just let me know down in the comments. But guys, that will be it for today's video. Check back tomorrow because there will be another video posted. I will be talking about all of the transmission issues that I had when I took my car to the Golo Ford out there in Conroe. I'll let you know how that whole experience was and what Ford told me. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.